gosh! Ah! Marcelotoysmore!
Marcelo, what are we gonna do?
A volcano.
What are we gonna make the volcano do?
Explode and all the dinosaurs are gonna go as fast as they can. And the hero on water starting to come out, they're gonna run fast down as fast as they can. So the lava doesn't so the lava doesn't make it get burned.
Okay, we're gonna make this volcano explode with lava and it's gonna get all the dinosaurs.
No.
Okay kids, it's time to work and make this the best volcano ever.
Look at it's looking like a real volcano, right?
Get ready. Kids, we're gonna paint the volcano now.
Okay, ready?
Yes, I'm ready. On the top first.
Yeah, top first.
The volcano's almost done.
Yeah.
Volcano's almost done.
Whoa, it's looking nice, Marcelo. You're doing a great job. Singing and painting. That's the best way to do it.
Also, kids, volcanoes, we're going to let it dry, and after it dries, we're going to put the water and the lava's going to come out. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put in a little bit of baking soda right now to the top of the volcano.
Baking soda?
Yeah, and now we're gonna put in a little bit of the lava rocks.
Lava?
See this, kids? Orange lava rocks.
It's going to burn the volcano.
Woo-hoo.
Can I see the lava rocks? Whoa, there's so lava.
Putting the lava rocks to the volcano. All right, and now
it's gonna explode.
we're gonna put in a little bit of red food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, last thing, we are gonna hook up the vinegar to the tube at the bottom.
Wacko lunch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And the lava's coming out! Oh my gosh, hurry up! Run, run! Run, run! 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 The lava's coming out! Oh my gosh, hurry! It's getting burned!
Whoa!
Lava's coming in! Help me!
Whoa!
And the best part about this game, you can make this volcano explode more than once, twice, even 3 times, just adding more fun to it.
Help me! Help me! Too much lava coming out! Too much lava coming out of this volcano! Ah, too much lava! Oh my gosh, hurry up! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! It's coming!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, hurry! Hurry! Volcano! Run! 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 Ow! Oh my gosh, hurry! 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 Oh my gosh! There's too much lava coming down! Lava! 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 Lava!
It's erupting still. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, hurry! Mommy, is this the lava?
That's the lava.
Mommy, the dinosaurs are getting hurt by the lava. Ow! 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 Ah!
Super Marcelo has to save him.
Mommy, this is the lava.
And hot lava.
Mommy, the dinosaurs are in the lava. They're getting hurt.
Try to save them.
Why? But no one can because they're trying to get out of the lava. This is the very hot lava where all the dinosaurs. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Help me! Too much more lava coming in! Too much lava coming out of this volcano! Oh my god! Ah! Too much lava! Oh my gosh! Hurry up! Get out! Dinosaurs are getting burned! Help me!
It's hot lava all over. Your dinosaurs are getting burned, Marcelo. That was a huge explosion of lava.
Happy birthday, dear the dinosaurs!
Marcelo loves to sing happy birthday, so we start singing happy birthday to the dinosaurs. And we also had a candle, so it was a lot of fun. But kids, make sure your mom and your dad are watching when you're doing this.
Thank you for watching my lava video! Subscribe for more videos! Thank you for watching my videos! Little kids, subscribe! More videos!